Hello, I'm Howard Butler, and today we're going to be talking about virtualized computer environments and why it's still necessary to optimize the file system for each of the virtual computer systems. Now, in a virtual environment, you might have simply created a SQL server. Maybe you have a web server. Maybe there's a file and print. And maybe you have also an Exchange server. Each of these computer systems represent their own data storage. Now, every one of these computer systems deals with the Windows environment. They have what's called a $MFT, master file table, contains the table of contents for a given file. There's also another very critical data storage called the $bitmap. Now, anytime a file needs to be referenced, it's got to look at the file system for that particular virtual computer system. And in the case, let's say, of a fragmented file, more I/O traffic is generated and passed on through to the host system. Now, this is extremely important in a virtualized environment because it's not just one computer talking to the storage. You have a multitude of different computers whose I/O traffic gets funneled in, okay, and is represented by the I/O traffic pattern, whether it's a fragmented file or whether or not it's an optimized file. Now, in the case of a fragmented file, as I said, the I/O traffic generated by each of these computer systems winds up creating more and more I/O traffic to the host system. Now, this host computer system could either be the Microsoft Hyper-V running under 2008 server, or it could be a VMware environment running ESX or ESXi. So as you would imagine, a fragmented file certainly incurs more I/O traffic, takes longer to get its data either written or retrieved from the storage and back up to any one of the virtual machines. Conducive Technologies, with its product V-locity, designed specifically for a virtualized environment, makes sure that when a file is written, that it's written in the most optimum, non-fragmented condition as possible, and as a result, results in the shortest path of I/O traffic down to the storage and back up. So this ensures that your applications run faster, are more efficient, that you can have a greater number of virtual machines per physical host, and you have fewer disk drives to support the overall environment. So as a result, we think that Conducive Technologies offers a great advantage here in a virtualized platform, and I do thank you very much. See you next time.